Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to make a simple pumpkin pie. I have a 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin. It's not pumpkin pie filling, it's pure pumpkin. There is a difference. To this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And mix this all together nicely. Now pouring that into a frozen pie crust. I've got my oven set to 425 preheated. I'm going to set my pie on a baking sheet, and I'm going to put it in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to turn the heat down to 350 and bake it for another 40 minutes. And I'll be back with the finished product. Hi and welcome back. And here is my finished pie. So I'm going to cut me a piece of it. Pop it out. Nice, firm. And give it a little taste. And that's good. So, hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. And you'll give it a try. You see how easy it is to make a pumpkin pie. And please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.